My name is Destiny Ulrich, and today I'm going to be doing a cross-matching for the feline patients. So for my donor, I have collected his blood into an EDTA anticoagulated tube, and so this is our donor's blood. And then for our recipient, we spun down in a serum separator tube and got serum for his sample. As far as any findings for the condition of the sample for the serum, no significant findings. There's not hemolysis noted, or it's not lipemic. It's a very good sample. So we are ready to start our Rapid Vet H major cross-matching. So I'm just going to follow through for the instructions. I've already labeled all of my tubes how the pamphlet tells me to. All of the donor's name went on all 7 tubes, and then I put our recipient's name on the yellow top reactive tube and then the clear top reaction tube. So we are ready to start. So for step 1, I'm going to pipette the donor sample 2 drops into our blue top blood prep tube. So 1 and 2. We're using a fresh pipette for each step, that way we avoid contamination. So I will put the cap back on tightly and gently invert it. Several times, making sure that we're mixing it adequately. Place this back. All right, and so the next thing that I will do is pipette 4 drops of my recipient serum to our yellow top tube. Place the cap on this one. Okay. So now from my blue top, my blood prep tube, I am going to transfer 2 drops to my yellow top reaction tube. One, 2. I will replace my cap and gently invert it several times to mix it. Okay. And then I'm going to transfer 2 drops to my negative control green top tube. Okay. to mix this one. And then now to my red top positive control. From my blue top. Place my cap. And I'm mixing this one by gentle inversion. Okay, so replace my cap on my blue top tube. So now we're going to let all of these tubes set for 5 minutes at room temperature. Okay, it has been 5 minutes for our incubation period. So for step 7, I'm going to transfer 1 drop from the yellow top reaction tube to my clear top reaction gel tube. Place the caps. Now I am going to transfer 1 drop from my green top negative control to my clear top negative control. Place my caps. And then finally, for my red top positive control to my clear top positive. Okay, so now I can take my gel tubes over to our centrifuge, and according to my centrifuge list that came in with my cross matching kit, it says I am going to need to spin these. We have to spin them for a cumulative G-force of 6,500. So I have checked my tubes, and I am going to spin them for a total of 5 minutes, and then I will be able to report my results for this cross match. Okay, so now it has been 5 minutes. So now is the time that we are able to read our results. Okay, so this is our green tube. This is what our cells have done. that is native, so that is appropriate for how that is supposed to react. Here is our positive control. And we have the collection of the cells at the top, so this is also appropriate. So since our controls are both correct, we can go ahead and proceed with the interpretation of our test. So for our identifying, I am using the pamphlet that comes with it. So a positive test is considered any tube demonstrating red cells at or near the top of the gel column after centrifuging. And our test is positive. So this would be an instant that we would not want to transfuse using this donor. So it is a good thing that we checked this. So yes, for this Rapid Vet H cross-matching system, we would not want to transfuse Muschke and Stink. So I will record that on my report card and we will keep it with the patient's file.